Hi everybody, it's Deborah from Stamp On It, and this is a new design video. It is our Highland Cows. Very super cute. Love it working with these. We have them in 3 different types of product right now. One is the Vintage Hues, one is the combo pack, and then we have a 4-card kit. We'll be adding a 12-card kit and so on, but that will come down the line. So let's get started. I'm going to go through quickly and just show you some ideas that we made, some sample cards. This is the first sheet. It is the baby Highland Cows squares. 6 designs on the sheet. All right. And here's just a very quick overview of some samples. These will also be on our website for viewing. This one is done with Hugs, which is from the Happy Greetings 4152. I'll hold this here so you can see what was used on this particular one. All right, this card is a horizontal version where I cut the overlay down, and here is the instruction or items used on that one. You can freeze frame these if you need to. I just don't want to go through and spend a ton of time. Here is another one. I love the mint green overlay on this one. Large oval. And there's what I used on it. Super simple, but just really easy to work with. I loved working with these guys. Here is Congratulations. Just using white stickers. Often we pass up the use of white stickers on dark or darker backgrounds. And then we have Warm Wishes, and that one comes from this one. All right. Sorry about the glare. I'm just not taking time to take them all out of their little sheet protectors or their pockets because essence of time. This is the second sheet I want to show you, Highland Cows 1. This is 4 on a sheet, a little larger print, and show you a couple of samples made with this. Here is the first one. I love this one with the rope line. And oh, here, let me grab this out so I can show you. There is what was used on that sample. Then on this one, love, love, love the purple, lavender. We call it Grapesicle. And there's what was used on that. All right. And the third product with these I wanted to show real quickly is the 4-card kit. Now the 4-card kits are unique because they are kits with A6 cards in them, not A2s. A2s are smaller, A6 is a greeting card size. So it has your cards pre-scored, envelopes, 2 sticker sheets that coordinate with the envelopes and the cardstock, and your 4 overlays. And in this case, you get a fossil, a brick, forest green, and a black. And I'll show you very quickly 4 samples made with those. First one, fossil. All right, with love. And it will be using the stickers that are in here. Here is For You. All right, and Congratulations using the black. And this is a kit. This particular kit uses the small oval, which is very unique, but I really enjoyed working with it. And then Thank You. And one of the sticker sheets in this kit has all of those words in it. So it has a multiple greeting sheet with corners, borders, and then you get an accessory sheet of butterflies. It will either be this butterfly, 3D butterfly sheet, or it will be our Spring Designs, which also has butterflies and dragonflies on it to accessorize if you so wish to, like we did on this one with the butterflies and on this one. All right, so that is the 4-card kit using the Highland Cows. This has a special sheet in it for the 4-card. All right. So we hope you enjoyed this very quick video idea and product interview. Check it out on our website at www.stamponit.net. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day. Thank you.